According to legend, a young goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats becoming unusually energetic after eating bright red coffee cherries. Our cities were built for cars, not people. Congested, polluted, and running out of time. So we asked an AI a simple question: what if we could design a city from scratch? It began to reimagine everything, every road, every building, every block, optimized for life. Construction moved fast. Vertical farms and smart towers rose where old blocks once stood. Housing grew upward, not outward, giving space back to nature, one tower at a time. Silent transit replaced traffic. People moved freely, without a single car in sight. Buildings breathed with green walls and solar canopies, blending architecture with the natural world. Rooftops became power plants, solar fields and wind spirals feeding the city clean energy. Above it all, children played in gardens where parking lots used to be. Families gathered outdoors again, sharing meals in plazas built for connection, not commuting. Elders found quiet corners to rest. The city slowed down, even as it grew smarter. Children learned beneath open skies, in classrooms without walls. This is what happens when intelligence designs for humanity, not just efficiency. A city that breathes, that grows, that gives more than it takes. The perfect city isn't a dream anymore. It's a blueprint, and it starts now.